So welcome to this video. In this video we are going to discuss about ACCA UK qualification. So ACCA UK qualification term is Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, and this exam focuses on IFRS, audit, taxation and generally about businesses. It's from UK and it's recognized throughout the world, especially in Commonwealth countries such as UK, Europe, okay, in Sri Lanka, Nepal, Pakistan. In these countries and even in Middle East, it's like well recognized, and it is useful for to become an auditor, accountant, business analyst, and for these jobs also you can apply. See, there are like many entry qualifications are there for ACCA. For example, if you have completed 12th standard with these subjects, accounts, economics, commerce and English, then you can directly enter into the qualification. So if you have done if you are doing or if you have done a UG degree, then you will be like getting certain exemptions. That is, you don't need to write certain papers. Okay, so regarding what exemptions you will get, I have published another video for ACCA UK course. You can visit that video. So ACCA totally has 13 subjects. So they divide it into 3 levels. So each is an examination. You have to take an exam for each of these subjects. And so this is the first level called as applied knowledge. You get business technology, financial accounting and management accounting. The applied skill is the second level. You study about corporate and business law, taxation, financial reporting, which is IFRS, performance management, financial management and audit and assurance. This is the second level. The third level is called as strategic professional level, where you have to do compulsorily 2 papers, which is called as strategic business reporting, which is IFRS, and strategic business leader, and you have to do 2 subjects out of this 4 choices. So you can choose advanced financial management or advanced audit and assurance or advanced taxation or advanced performance management. So totally you have to do 13 subjects. Now let's see how this differs if you are a BCom student. Okay, if you are a 12th standard student, you have to undergo all these 13 exams. But if you are studying BCom or if you have cleared BCom, then you will get exemptions. So the first level you don't need to write any exam. In the second level, this corporate and business law, you don't need to write exam. That means out of 13, 4 exams you don't need to write. So you have to write 9 papers. So BCom students just have to write 9 subjects. Okay, so for qualification to qualification, this differs. So if you're a BBA, only the first paper is exempted, right? So BBA students have to write 12 subjects. If you are from CA, okay, if you are a CA inter, then you have to write approximately, I think 7 to 6 papers. I'm not exactly sure, but 7 to 6 papers you have to write. And if you have completed CA, okay, if you have completed CA, then you can just write 4 papers. Okay, so that's about the qualification entry here, right? So ACCA has multiple ways of entering into this qualification. So these exams are available 4 times in a year. So in September, December, March and June. So these exams are available. And how long it will take? Okay, for example, if you are a 12th standard student and you are entering into ACCA, see, to clear one subject will take minimum 3 months. That means you can multiply like how many papers you are left with. So if you are a 12th standard student, it will take definitely somewhere between 2.5 years, okay, because it will in a year you can complete 4 subjects, so it will definitely take you 2.5 years or 3 years it will take. If you are a BCom student, you can complete it within 2 years to 2.5 years. Okay, so assuming you clear one subject every 3 months. So ACCA also requires you to have at least 3 years of work experience. So this work experience you can have it before writing this exam or during the exam or after the exam. Okay, you can have it whenever you want, but only when you have this experience you will get the certificate. Okay, so let's look at the pass rate also here. The pass rate typically is, for each level it differs. So for the knowledge level, it is somewhere between 50 to 85%. See, 85% is only for the first paper, which is called as the accountant in business, okay, or business technology or something. That first paper alone is 85%. Thereafter, it falls down to 50%. So paper number 2, 3 and all, it's only 50%. And skills level is 40 to 50%, and the last professional level is only 35%. It's all approximate. It can be like 5% higher or lower than this, okay, maximum. So this is the average pass rate. This pass rate, ACCA declares it every attempt, okay, every attempt they declare this number. So you can check ACCA website for yourself. So the total fees of ACCA comes around 2 lakhs, okay. So we have assumed that the GBP, the pound is one pound is equal to 100. So that's the current rate as of this video. It's 1 pound equal to 100. So registration fees is 89 pounds. Exam fee, all exams, all 13 exams put together, it's 1,740. Annual subscription, see, this has to be paid every year. Every year, even if you're a student, you have to pay 12,000 rupees to ACCA. So as long as you're a student and you're writing exams, you have to pay this 12,000. So this will actually increase your total ACCA cost. It will increase, okay. So if you take it definitely you can't clear these exams in a single year. It will take 2 to 3 years. That means single year it's 12,000, 2 years 24,000, and 3 years 36,000 you have to pay. So the total cost comes to roughly around 2 lakh rupees. And the books, you have to buy it separately. So books will cost you, we have taken, there are like 2 book publishers available, Kaplan and BBB. So these books will cost you 3,000, and each book, okay, each book for 13 subjects it will come to 39,000. So roughly if you add both, your cost will be around 2.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs it will move, okay. That would be a rough calculation here. So once you have cleared ACCA, every year as a membership fee you have to pay 27,000. So it's GBP 270 every year you have to pay. And to get the certificate, you should definitely have 3 years of work experience, and not any work experience, it's relevant work experience. That is, you should have worked as an auditor, accountant, like that, okay. So you should have 3 years of work experience. So that's about ACCA course here. So you guys can reach me at my website. You can also connect with me on LinkedIn. I am very active on LinkedIn, and you can also reach me at Twitter. So if you guys really like the video, put a like for us and share it with your friends who might find it useful. So if you guys have any queries or questions, post it in the comment section. We'll be like happy to answer them. If you guys have any other ideas for further videos, you can put it in the comment section. We'll be like creating a new video on that topic also. So thank you guys. We'll meet in the next video.